Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day you are coming to my this video practice file. I welcome you here. Thank you so much for coming to English at MU's, and you know that we are in continuation with our spoken English practice with the series named English Bolo. English Bolo hashtag 8. Dear learners, I am going to make you practice today. I am Amrita Shan, and making English easy for the learners is a passion with me. So let's get started for today. You know that in our English Bolo hashtag 7 we had done a few sentences in the negative form, and today again we are continuing with some more negative sentences. And the reason is that कि हम जितना भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उतना ही कम है. The more we make practice, the more confident we become, the more words we learn, and the concepts become very clear to us. So negative sentences rules are simple. Simple sentences हैं is MR यूज हो रहा है, और इन sentences में नहीं या कभी नहीं वर्ड का यूज हो सकता है. अगर हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं तो इज नॉट, एम नॉट, आर नॉट होगा. अगर हम कभी नहीं बोल रहे हैं तो वहां पे फिर नेवर वर्ड यूज हो जाएगा. सो देयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर यू. इंग्लिश मेरी मातृभाषा नहीं है. इंग्लिश इज नॉट माई मदर टंग. मेरे दोस्त मेरे दुश्मन नहीं है. माई फ्रेंड्स आर नॉट माई foes. My friends are not my enemies. The good word for enemies is foes. So ये मेरा खिलौना नहीं है. ये मेरे खिलौने नहीं है. These are not my toys. यह कमरा बड़ा नहीं है. This room is not very roomy. This room is not very big. अगर आप बोल रहे हैं तो ठीक है, but roomy is a good word for you. सो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बनाते बनाते हमारी जौन सी है बहुत सी वकैब इम्प्रूव हो रही है. आप ये बात नोटिस कर रहे होंगे. आपका सामान्य ज्ञान अच्छा नहीं है. योर जनरल नॉलेज इज नॉट गुड. सो बहुत सी बार होता है कि हम हिंदी में भी इंग्लिश वर्ड्स का यूज करते हैं. सामान्य ज्ञान हो सकता है हम नहीं बोलते हैं, हम जनरली जी के वर्ड ही यूज करते हैं, दैट इज जनरल नॉलेज. So these are the examples, and I think you are ready for today's practice and excited too. So get set go. And dear learners, again reminding you, sentence जैसे screen पे आता है आप जल्दी से उसे बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए. I am giving you little time in between to think and say. So this is the speaking practice. Do not write anything. English Bolu is the name of our video practice file. इस नींबू में बिल्कुल रस और सुगंध नहीं है. There is no sap and smell in this lemon. Sap and smell is a good phrase, and I believe आपने सोचा होगा कि there is no juice and smell in the lemon. Maybe something like that. Sap and smell. Put it in your mind. Write down in your notebook. तुम्हारे भाई खेलों तुम्हारा भाई खेलों में ज्यादा चुस्त नहीं है. तुम्हारा भाई खेलों में ज्यादा चुस्त नहीं है. If you have told that your brother is not very active in games, that is correct. But we have to go with some good word. So your brother is not very dynamic in games. Your brother is not very dynamic in games. Dynamic is a word for you. हमारे खिलाड़ी अभी पूरी तरह तैयार नहीं हैं। Our players are not yet fully prepared. Our players are not yet fully prepared. It is advisable कि अगर आपसे sentence बन रहा है then it is good. अगर नहीं बन रहा है तो as I speak the sentence, try to speak after me. एक practice करते हैं. Our players are not yet fully prepared. Yes, good. So this way, if I speak the sentences, you can repeat the sentences after me. हमारा समाज पूरी तरह शिक्षित नहीं है. Our society is not fully literate. Our society is not fully educated. That is also correct. यह कोई अच्छा उदाहरण नहीं है. This is not a good example. इस कहानी में कोई रहस्य नहीं है. There is no suspense in this story. There is no suspense in the story. There is no suspense in this story. Though and this both are the right words. रोज बाहर खाना खाना कोई अच्छी आदत नहीं है. रोज बाहर खाना खाना कोई अच्छी आदत नहीं है. It is not a good habit to eat out every day. It is not a good habit to eat out every day. समय के पाबंद लोग कभी काम के लिए देर नहीं करते हैं. डियर लर्नर्स, अभी हमने टेंसेस स्टार्ट नहीं किए हैं, पर इफ यू हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ टेंसेस और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये तो टेंस है, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है, तो डेफिनेटली हम इसको उसमें भी ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं कि पंक्चुअल पीपल डू नॉट गेट लेट फॉर देयर वर्क. बट अभी अगर आपको नहीं पता चल रहा है तो कंफ्यूजन का जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई हैव प्लेस्ड इट इन अ सिंपल कैटेगरी एंड द ट्रांसलेशन इज the punctual people are never late to work. The people who are punctual, we could also write like this, are never late to work. मेरा विचार तुम्हारे विचार से अलग नहीं है. My point of view is not different than yours. My idea, my suggestion, my thought are the other words we can use here. My thought is not different than that of yours. We can also frame the sentence like this. कुछ पुरानी परंपराएं आज के समाज के लिए उपयुक्त नहीं हैं. Some old traditions are not suitable for the present society. यह कोई कल्पित कथा नहीं है. This is not a romantic story. Romanticism means imagination. आज चांदनी रात नहीं है. It is not a moonlit night today. It is not a moonlit night today. गरीबी से ग्रसित लोगों के लिए जीवन आसान नहीं है. You have to start the translation. जीवन आसान नहीं है. Life is not easy for the poverty-stricken people. Life is not easy for the destitute people. If you have used the word poverty-stricken, that is also a fantastic word. And if you don't know it, you can write down in your notebook. Destitute and another word is poverty-stricken. वे अभी जीवन की कड़वी सच्चाई स्वीकार करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. तैयार नहीं है. From here you have to give the start. He is not ready to accept the bitter truth of life. Or she is not yet ready to accept the bitter truth of life. वह भेड़ की खाल में भेड़िया है. वह भेड़ की खाल में भेड़िया नहीं है. ओके. He is not a wolf in a lamb's skin. He is not a wolf in a lamb's skin. हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं है. प्रवर्ब भी है ये. हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं है. I believe you could do it and that is good. All that glitter is not gold. You should be happy if you are doing these sentences in the first attempt. अब पछताने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use crying over split milk. There is no use crying over split milk. मेरे शब्दकोश में असंभव शब्द नहीं है. There is no word like impossible in my dictionary. There is no word like impossible in my dictionary. So there is no word like impossible in my dictionary and we should go to the next sentence. उसके माता पिता अब इस दुनिया में नहीं हैं. Dear learners, sometimes word to word translation is not possible. And the same for this sentence. His parents are now not alive. अगर आपने बोला है कि his parents are not present in the world today, so that is not the right translation for this sentence. His parents are now not alive. सोते हुए बच्चे की निगरानी करने के लिए यहाँ कोई नहीं है. There is no one to watch over the sleeping child. देखभाल निगरानी करना, watch over. There is no one to watch over the sleeping child. मेरे माता पिता मेरी इच्छाओं के बिल्कुल खिलाफ नहीं हैं. It is always good if parents understand the desires of their children, and children also understand what is right, what is wrong. मेरे माता पिता मेरी इच्छाओं के बिल्कुल खिलाफ नहीं हैं. My parents are not against my will. मैं तुम्हारी सिगरेट पीने की आदत से तंग हूं. I am fed up with your habit of smoking. Fed up means किसी चीज से तंग हो जाना. So I am fed up with your habit of smoking. यह कोई निर्णय लेने का समय नहीं है. यह कोई निर्णय लेने का सही समय नहीं है. We are talking about कि right time नहीं है ये कुछ डिसीजन लेने का. This is not a high time to take decision. The word that you need to put in your mind is this is not a high time. मैं किसी दुविधा में नहीं हूं. Sentences are in the category of simple, but we are improving our vocab, and you are seeing that how you are framing the sentences. I am not in any type of fix. To be in a fix means दुविधा में होना. मैं दुविधा में हूं, मैं क्या करूं? I am in a fix, what to do? मैं किसी दुविधा में नहीं हूं. I am not in any type of fix. वह बेगुनाह नहीं है. He is not innocent. उस पर निगरानी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to watch over him. Watch over अभी हमने पीछे भी किया. So निगरानी रखना, that is watch over. There is no need to watch over him. तुम्हारा दोस्त संस्कारी बच्चा नहीं है. अब संस्कारी बच्चे के लिए आपके पास इंग्लिश है. चेक करते हैं. Your friend is not a very cultured child. Your friend is not a very cultured child. यह कोई ऐतिहासिक फिल्म नहीं है. Yes, good. This is not a historical movie. This is not a historical movie. बाहरी सुंदरता किसी सुंदरता का मापदंड नहीं है. It is said that we should acknowledge the real virtues and the qualities of a person, and we should not judge anything by external beauty. तो बाहरी सुंदरता किसी सुंदरता का मापदंड नहीं है. External beauty is not the measuring rod of any beauty. External beauty is not the measuring rod of any beauty. That is very true. इस कमरे में कोई सूरज की रोशनी नहीं है. इस कमरे में कोई सूरज की रोशनी नहीं है. There is no sunlight in this room. There is no brightness in this room. If you are saying, that is wonderful. There is no brightness in the room because of the sun. We can explain like this. पैसा सभी समस्याओं का हल नहीं है. Money is not the solution of all the problems. यह कोई बात करने का ढंग नहीं है. If someone is misbehaving, and definitely in an angry mood we will say कि ये कोई बात करने का ढंग नहीं है. So let's try to say it in English. This is not the way to talk. अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि बड़ों से बात करने का ढंग नहीं है, This is not the way to talk with your elders. ये मेरे से बात करने का ढंग नहीं है. This is not the way to talk to me. Understanding of prepositions when we are making translations like this. So dear learners, this is done, and as you know that I always ask you to repeat and revise the sentences. So going to give you some sentences, and this time you will try to say the English of those sentences one by one, and you will not read it in Hindi. So giving you a little time, and let's see that if you could translate all these sentences orally in a good flow. If still you want more time, you can pause the video here, but this is the time I had allotted you. अगर आप कर पाए हैं तो means you really have learned something and you have kept the words in your mind. और अगर आप नहीं कर पाए हैं तो जरूरी है that you should repeat and revise the complete video again. This is only for you, it will help you. And clap for you if you could do it. So time for worksheet, dear learners. And you know that I always come with some interesting sort of worksheet for you. And today what we are going to do, there is an interesting and brainstorming worksheet for you in the next slide. Write 5 simple negative sentences and complete it making a request with the help of imperative sentence. So dear learners, what we are going to do, पहले आपको negative sentence लिखना है और उसको please के साथ continue करना है. Please request करते हुए आपको sentence को end करना है. 3 examples are here. दिस इज नॉट योर सीट, प्लीज लीव इट. आपकी सीट नहीं है, कृपया इसे छोड़ दें. योर ब्रदर इज नॉट सीरियस अबाउट स्टडीज, प्लीज गाइड हिम. स्टडीज में सीरियस नहीं है, प्लीज उसे गाइड करें. दिस इज नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज स्टे अवे. आपकी समस्या नहीं है ये, आप कृपया दूर ही रहें. So these type of sentences, 5 sentences you have to write, and you know that for your right answers you will get 5 stars from me. I will check your work, and if you would write 5 right sentences, you are going to get 5 stars, or whatever right sentences would be, you would get the same number of stars. I believe you would love to do this little worksheet because it will help you that what you have learned today. So you can pause the video here, and you can put your answers in the comment box. So my last questions again कि आपको ये प्रैक्टिस का ढंग कैसे लगा, क्या आप सभी वाक्यों को इंग्लिश में बना सके, क्या जरूरी शब्द दिमाग में आए, या कुछ समय लगा, या कुछ सीखने को मिला. Must revise the same practice video if you are not happy with your first attempt. अगर अभी आप अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट से खुश नहीं है तो इस वीडियो को जरूर रिपीट कीजिए एंड रिवाइज कीजिए. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, and the video number would be English Bolo #9. So this is done for today, dear learners. I hope you have already subscribed the channel, and you are also sharing it with your friends, with your siblings whom you want that they should also make such type of practice. And it is done for today. I take leave of you. See you next time. Till then, take care.